Final year BA, Medical Sociology, 5th SEM, University of Mysore. Topic of the unit, Medical Sociology. Session topic, Summary of approaches and need for sociology of health. Recap of the previous session, the role of sociologist in the concept sociology of medicine and sociology in medicine. Differences between sociology of medicine and sociology in medicine. All the above factors were analyzed in the previous session. Learning objectives and learning outcomes to enable students to understand the assumption of the functionalist conflict and symbolic interaction approach on health and medicine. Learning outcome, students will approach the need of theoretical approaches for sociology of health. Content, view of functionalist approach, views of conflict approach, views of symbolic interaction approach, need for sociology of health, references, multiple choice questions. Summary of approaches and need for sociology of health. There have been three dominant theoretical approaches in the history of the sociology of the health and illness. They are functionalist approach, conflict approach, symbolic interactionist view of functionalist approach. The role of health and illness in social life was derived by the functionalist theorist Talcott Parsons in 1951 in his book The Social System. The good health and effective medical care are essential for social function. Hierarchical relationship between physician and patient. Good health and effective medical care are essential for the smooth functioning of society. Patient must perform the sick role, emphasizes the importance of individual good health for society's health. View of conflict approaches emphasizes inequality in the quality of health and the healthcare delivery. People from disadvantaged social backgrounds are more likely to become ill and to receive inadequate health care. Social inequality characterizes the quality of health and quality of health care. Criticize the exploitation by the physician. View of symbolic interaction approach. Health and illness are social constructions, emphasizes interaction between patients and healthcare professionals. Physicians manage the situation to display their authority and medical knowledge. Various physical and mental conditions have little or no objective reality. Consider healthy or ill conditions only if they are defined as such by a society and its member. Need for sociology of health. Sociological theories of health and illness receive the evaluation of theory in medical sociology. Theories in medical sociology distinguish the subdiscipline from all other scientific fields engaged in the study of health and illness. Sociological theories in the study of health and illness are useful in the empirical research. The qualitative or quantitative research methods applicable to specific theory are also covered. Distinction between macro and micro levels, level of analysis and the relevance of the agency, structure, dichotomy inherent in all theories in sociology are discussed. References: Lewis A. Kosser, Master of Sociological Thought, Rahat Publication, New Delhi, Michael Sheff, Sociology and Healthcare. Multiple choice questions. 1 is the role of health and illness in social life was derived by the dash theorist. Conflict. B. Functionalist. C. Symbolic interactions. D. Feminist. Correct answer is B. Functionalist. Second one. Dash is written by Talcott Parser. Option is the social system. B. Social structure. C. The study of social system. D. The social action. Correct answer is A. The social system. Third one, the social system was published in dash. Option is A. 1961, B. 1952, C. 1962, D. 1951. Answer is D. 1951. Fourth one, dash is not the theoretical approach to the sociology of health and illness. Options is A. Conflict approach, B. Communicative approach, C. Functionalist approach, D. Symbolic interactions approach. Correct answer is B. Communicative approach. Fifth one, the dash approach emphasis inequality in the quality of health and of healthcare delivery. Option is A. Conflict, B. Functionalist, C. Symbolic interaction, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Conflict. Thank you.